back to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Fab Bag for May month. So this is the box which I've got. Let's just quickly unbox it and see what all it has. But before that, let me tell you the price. Price for a monthly subscription is 599 rupees, but don't worry, I have a coupon code for you. So you will save 10% if you use the code, which is RITU10. And this code is valid on 6 month and on yearly subscription. I will be mentioning the code in the description box so you guys can check it. And this month, guess what? You have choices, the makeup choice, which you always get in a Fab Bag. So this time, the makeup choice is available in all variant. I mean, for 1 month also you can select the makeup product, which is amazing. Now let's just quickly see what all it has. The first thing is the color of this bag. It's so pretty. The color is red and you can just see the bag is so cute. I like it. And the quality, of course, you know, the quality of Fab Bags, like the bags from Fab Bag is really nice. So yes, I'm happy with the quality. Now I have these cards, 3 cards. The first one is the info card, so I'll come back to this one later on. Now, the second one is the contest card. So this is the card and it says just click a picture of your May Fab Bag and tag hashtag in my Fab Bag on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and stand a chance to win Major Crush by Ayushi Pure, a matte nail paint. Now, the third one is the Renewal offer, 10% discount. So now let's come back to the info card. It has the theme for this month, which is the Keep It Check for May Fab Bag. And you can just see the picture over here. Yes, I like it. Let's start with the first one, which is the star product and the makeup product. So of course, this is a makeup product, so you have a choice. So this time, this is the product. This is from Mior and this is a blush. You have 2 different shades from the same range. So one is Mama Mia. This is a coral kind of a shade, which I have chosen. The second one is a pinkish shade. I don't remember the name, but don't worry, I will be mentioning that in the description box so you guys can check it. Now, the price for this one is 799 rupees for 10 gram. Manufacture of January 2019. Best before January 2022. This product is cruelty free, vegan, and paraben free, and mineral oil free. So yeah, looks like a really good product. Now, the packing is something like this, which is very interesting. I love it. You just have to open it like this, and then you can just use it like this one. So yes, I'm liking it. The packing is really nice, and then as I've told you, it's cruelty free, vegan, and like paraben free. So of course, a really good product. You can just see the color is very cute. Of course, the star product. Now, moving on to the next one. Next one is by Acne's. This is a skin soothing gel. Full size product. 125 rupees is the price. Let me just open this. It comes with this packing. So this is the skin soothing gel. 90% pure aloe vera, and this says it's cooling, soothing and antibacterial aloe vera with neem. So perfect product for summers. Yes, you need a good aloe vera, and of course this has neem, so yes, good product. Happy with this. The price for this one is 125 rupees. A must have product for summers, I would say. Let's move on to the next one. The next one is by the Herbal Blend, and this is a lip scrub, full size product. 285 is the price, and it says cooling mint lip scrub. 10 gram is the quantity. Manufacture of March 2019. Best before 12 months from the manufacturing date. Then let me just read out the ingredient list for you. It has castor sugar, cocoa butter, mango butter, coconut oil, and vitamin E. It's a lip scrub, so if you use lots of matte lipsticks, I think you should use a good lip scrub. And yes, I'm getting this one. So yes, I'm definitely going to try this one. This product is by the Soap Company India, and this is Intense Body Wash. 100 ml is the quantity, and it says handcrafted luxury. I love the packaging. Just have a look. So yeah, quite impressive. It's a full size product. Price for this one is 200 rupees. Looks really fresh. The color is green, so very fresh color for especially for summers. Yes, I like it, and it's a body wash, so quite useful product. For me, it's a new brand. I've not really used anything from the soap company, so looking forward for this one. Now the next is the Colombian Brew instant coffee, and I have these 4 sachets. These are the 4 sachets. The first one is this vanilla one, and this second one is this double chocolate mocha. So two different variants, two sachet from Wicked Vanilla and two for double chocolate one. So of course I love coffee. Now comes the best part. You know what is the best part? This month you have one bonus product in your Fab Bag, which is amazing. I love it. It's very exciting. Like whenever you receive any bonus or surprise gift in your box, yes, I find it very interesting. Very exciting, I guess. So yeah, this is a hair serum with walnut oil. It says a hair polishing and smoothing serum for soft and silky hair. 45 ml is the quantity. 90 rupees is the price for this one. So yes, happy. Thank you, Fab Bag, for this. And that's all what I have received in my Fab Bag. I have showed you what all I have got. So yeah, you guys can see. And if you like it, go ahead and place your order. I will be mentioning the buying link in the description box. Plus, guys, hurry up. Tomorrow I will be announcing the giveaway winner for April month. So yeah, hurry up. And of course, I will be coming up with a new giveaway for May month. So yeah, stay connected for that. Now that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.